Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to change the notification. So before I start the video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. So let us start the video. First of all, you have to go to the setting and you have to press the setting. Then you have to come down. Then you have to press sound and vibration. Then you have to press notification. You can see here notification. Then you have to press it. Then you have to choose it. You have to click it, this one or this one, or you can click it from here. So many notifications, so many ringtones are here. You can click it one from here. That's it. If you want to set it, you just click it from here. Then you can set it. So it is done now. So friends, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.